Hello and welcome to the Nook Book Review. I'm Ghena Hariri. Imagine a spy who didn't carry a gun. He carried a notepad, an open mind, and a deep respect for his enemies. The Good Spy by Kai Bird is not a spy thriller. It's a eulogy for diplomacy, for nuance, and for one man who tried to make peace in a region addicted to conflict. Robert Ames wasn't James Bond. He was a fluent Arabic speaker, a father, a patient listener. A man who built real bridges, not the kind made of photo ops and press releases. And in 1983, he died for it. The book opens on a ghost, a photo of Clinton, Rabin and Arafat in 1993, sealing a moment that Robert Ames helped make possible 10 years after his death in the US embassy bombing in Beirut. Bird rewinds the tape back to the Cold War, back to the CIA quiet corridors, and brings Ames to life as a man who believed intelligence meant listening, not surveillance. Ames' relationship with Ali Hassan Salemi, the PLO Red Prince, was a backchannel masterclass in improbable diplomacy. Their friendship, genuine, complicated, shadowy, was a glimmer of what Middle East peace might have looked like if people had been willing to see each other as people. Kai Bird doesn't romanticize. He reveals, he captures Ames' clarity and his blind spots, his idealism, his empathy, and yes, his sometimes dangerous desire to believe in the best of his sources. The book is sharp, mournful, never heavy-handed. It's political biography with the soul of a novel. The final chapters hit like a punch. The embassy bombing, the role of Hezbollah, the possible CIA protection of the bomber. It is not just heartbreaking, it's infuriating. Ames didn't live to see what he started, but the question lingers, what if he had? The Good Spy isn't about espionage, it's about trust in a world that punishes it. It's about peace in a place that breaks the peacemakers. Read this if you want more than headlines. Read it if you believe the quietest men often leave the loudest echoes. Kai Bird doesn't give us a spy, he gives us a ghost, one that still walks the corridors of diplomacy. If you have read the book, please leave a comment, like, share, and follow.